What kind of plane are we going on?
On a double-decker to Japan. To Japan and Tokyo.
In the snow.
In the cold.
Leaving Malaysia and heading to Tokyo, Japan, we've been traveling for 5 months through Europe, South Asia, and Western Australia. It seems like it will never end. Japan has been on our bucket list forever, and we can't wait to see what adventures we'll have there.
Just got to Tokyo, Japan. We're tired. Had to try and set up a cell phone by myself, which is kind of hard when only half your brain is working. Got it working though. And now we've got to go get some money. And then we got to get an hour-long train ride into Tokyo to get to our place. So we'll see if I have a place to sleep tonight. Right? Maybe we're sleeping in the train station. We look awful. Tired. We're trying to figure our way through the train systems again, just like back in Paris. It's really expensive, too. Really expensive. We're here. Gonna go through the motions. It's another adventure.
Please touch the button of your choice.
搭地铁站使用。
Is it cold? It is 30 degrees difference than what it was in Malaysia. It's cold. It's like 0 right now. But, hey, we're Canadian. We're used to that. We made it. We found our place in Tokyo, Japan. And it's got good Wi-Fi, right?
Our Airbnb was 2 floors and authentic with sliding doors. It had a rice cooker, heated toilet seats, and close to shopping, restaurants, and a train station. First on our to-do list is to visit Takeshita Street, which is lined with fashion boutiques, cafes, and restaurants, and more.
So quiet. It's so quiet. Where are we?
Takeshita Street?
Takeshita Street.
Takeshita Street.
That's
Tokyo.
not Tokyo.
It's crazy here. Oh my God. We should have got here about 6 in the morning, but I can't get up that early. I just can't do it.
No.
And it's winter, and we didn't prepare for winter, so I'm wearing all of my clothes.
And mine.
All of them. And his, too.
Yeah.
And I'm starving. Let's get some lunch.
Food, coffee. You gotta get coffee. Something to keep you warm.
What?
The fuzzy, big fuzzy thing.
Yeah. Okay.
We came to this ramen house and we sat down and like, you gotta go over to the machine to order. So that's new for us. So we had to rush through it. So we don't know what we're eating. We'll see. Cold, but this is warming me up. It's good food, ramen style. Freezing.
We have to make this work though. We're only here like 8 more days, so let's have some fun.
We still gotta buy
Shinkansen
tickets.
Yeah, you're so stressed about that.
I'm not
all the
stressed about it. I
time.
just gotta buy
We
it.
will. Go with it.
All right, we're going. It's supposed to snow.
I think it's just toys.
These are just toys?
I thought you would like actually.
Well, because they have a cute little place with Japanese sweets that are all kawaii, which is Japanese cute.
Oh. What's your name? Do you have a name? Oh, he's not interested in me at all. A selfie. Do a selfie? Okay. Selfie. What'd you think of that? I'm cold if you're wondering why I got a hoodie on.
It's known for various like quirky pet cafes and stuff here. So we went to an owl one, but actually I think we made a mistake. I didn't think they would be chained up by their legs.
He's roped onto them. Please do not go there. It's not very nice.
Yeah. We are at Marion Crepes on Tachiki Street in Harajuku, and they're famous for their crepes. They've been around since like 1976, so we're not going to get one to ourselves, but we're going to try one. It looks really delicious. What kind do you guys want to get?
Nutella!
Nutella? Okay.
to
Take a look
share.
at banana whipped cream Nutella. That would be awesome. What do we get?
Hey, I want to taste.
Nutella strawberry banana.
How is it?
Very good. That good?
Wait, on another bite. Yeah.
What are we getting?
Rainbow cotton candy. Where are we?
We are at Sweet Harajuku.
The Tati Candy Factory.
Tati Candy
And
Factory.
what are you excited about having?
Candy.
Rainbow cotton candy?
Cotton candy.
What do you think of that?
Amazing.
Are you gonna be able to eat all of that?
Yeah. Maybe.
What do you think of my new style of my beard? I'm gonna grow it long.
Me too.
Doesn't look good?
I'm trying to think of the song. What's the ZZ Top song?
Oh, Sharp Dress Man. She got legs. There she goes.
Having you.
Hey, my beard.
You got a beard just like Dad. I told you it was gonna grow in. It's just a bit earlier. Italian girls they get a lot of. I am so cold. What are we doing?
Going to Shibuya to see the famous crosswalk, the busiest in the world.
No, I meant.
Oh, we freeze
why
our
are we
buns.
here? It's cold.
Because it's fun. We gotta get out.
Does that remind you of Europe?
Yes, but it doesn't sound
The
threatening.
same, no. That was crazy. There's so many people crossing the street. Where's Mael? What'd you think of that?
Amazing.
Look behind us. Look at all the screens going. There's so many people. Friday night too.
Let's go inside.
Done with day 2 of Tokyo, we head back to our Airbnb, but it proved to be a little more difficult than we thought.
We're in this labyrinth of a place called the Food Show underneath the Shimbuku crossing. It's crazy. We're lost. Don't know where we are. It's like a big maze. It's awesome. They don't make these subway lines easy, do they?
No,
It's not as easy as I thought. This station is huge.
it's crazy.
It's just like 25 platforms. I don't know. We're trying to find 3. Let's go through again. Seikyo line's that way. Going up, down, sideways. We're still not there yet.
No, I have no idea where we are.
The numbers are pointing us in the right. We've seen the number 3 for the very first time, so we're almost there. It's been like a half an hour,
I'm so cold.
and we're freezing. Oh, it's warm.
Hold here.
I think we're on the right train. I just ran on to the first one on the platform.
And we didn't get stuffed by a train stuffer, but we saw them.
We saw them. We have just figured out that the times make a difference. Yes. So we took one train too early and we missed our train stop, and now we're like way far away from where we need to go. Now we got to take 2 trains back.
And bonus, we're going on it during rush hour.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So we've got this dialed, I think. I think we figured it out now.
Maybe we'll see.
Or we're sleeping on the train
We're going
tonight.
back and forth all night.
We're going to be homeless tonight.
Yeah. Oh no.
We're at train stop number 4, and I think we have one left to get back home. I think we got it. All right, we made it to our train stop. Now we got to find our way home. I think I know the way home. It's dark this time. Last time we came, it was light. So we should make it. We've done it in worse spots before, right?
And the hand railings are blue.
Dad, move over.
Huh? That's something a kid would say. And the hand railings are blue. Second night in Tokyo, and it's snowing, and we don't have the right clothing.
No. Shopping tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna go buy
Oh
some
my god.
jackets or
I'm
something
so
more.
cold.
But I love it here. It's just cold.
It's really cold.
And then the heat in our place, it only heats up 3/4 of the house.
Well, they don't have centralized heating.
No,
No.
I think we gotta move this way.
Tokyo is an amazing city, and we've only scratched the surface of the places to see and things to do. Watch part 2 of this video where we see an amazing temple, visit the future, and hang out with some monsters. Oh yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more fun videos.